This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious BBQ pork ribs. First, select high-quality racks, such as St. Louis style or baby backs, which offer excellent meat-to-bone ratios. Next, it is crucial to remove the thin, silver skin membrane from the bone side of each rack. This ensures your ribs become incredibly tender, not chewy. Simply use a knife to lift one edge, then grip it with a paper towel and peel it off cleanly. Pat the ribs completely dry with paper towels to prepare them for seasoning. Now let us craft a superb dry rub to infuse incredible flavor into your ribs. A great rub typically includes brown sugar for sweetness, paprika for color and depth, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper, with a touch of cayenne for a subtle kick. Liberally apply this mixture to every surface of the ribs, gently pressing it in. Then, let the seasoned racks rest, uncovered, in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or even up to 12 hours to allow the flavors to truly penetrate the meat. For the most succulent ribs, we are going for a low and slow cooking method. Preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit or get your smoker stabilized at the same temperature. Place the seasoned ribs bone side down on a wire rack set over a baking sheet or directly onto your preheated smoker grates. Cook the ribs for about 2.5 to 3 hours. They should be tender but not quite falling off the bone yet, reaching an internal temperature around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. After their initial cook, it is time for the delicious barbecue sauce. Remove the ribs from the oven or smoker and generously brush your favorite BBQ sauce onto all surfaces. Return them to the heat for another 60 to 90 minutes. The goal here is for the sauce to caramelize nicely, forming a sticky glaze, and for the meat to become incredibly tender, pulling back significantly from the ends of the bones. The internal temperature should reach about 200 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect tenderness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.